Darwinbox Resignation Process. I'm going to tell you how the Darwinbox resignation process works. If your company uses Darwinbox for HR management, resigning through the platform is usually a straightforward digital process. First, log into your Darwinbox account, go to the Me tab or Profile section, look for the resignation or exit option. This is often found under Lifecycle Events or Employee Services. Once you're there, click Initiate Resignation. You'll need to select your last working day, provide a reason for leaving, and submit any comments if required. After submitting, your resignation request goes through an approval workflow. It's usually routed to your manager or HR, who may either approve or ask for clarifications. During this stage, you may also be assigned exit tasks like handing over company property, clearing dues, or completing an exit interview. You can monitor your resignation progress in real time for the same dashboard. Finally, once everything is approved and completed, you'll receive an official confirmation, often with documentation like a relieving letter. Just make sure to follow any internal policies your company enforces alongside this digital process.